Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat on the Bumble dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the People tab, from which if you wish to chat with any person, then you will first need to match with them. Now, when you come across any profile, you can either swipe right to like or swipe left to dislike. Once you have liked any profile, there is a good chance that you will also appear within their People tab. And if they also swipe right within your profile, then you will now be matched with this user. Once you have become matched with the user, you will immediately be able to send a message from the chats menu, where you will find their profile. You can also tap on the heart icon to send a compliment in form of a message by spending a few points. By sending compliments, you will be able to initiate conversation with any user, even if you have not matched with them yet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to chat with someone on Bumble. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.